Alright, you guys, we are having a major bonfire right now. Today is Wednesday, October 28th, and Robert and I spent half the day working on the backyard, and you guys know it's a pretty big backyard, so there was a lot of yard waste, so it filled up the trash barrel so quickly, and there was so much left, so we decided to just have a bonfire, which is, strangely enough, one of the things you can do when you live in El Rio. So this is one roaring fire. There's Robert over there. Anyways, yeah, you guys, wow, can really feel the heat coming off of this bonfire. Wow, this is the best fire we had. Let's see. Oh, it's too dark. What time is it, Robert? It's like 7, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, it's gonna be 7.
It's gonna be 7. Yeah, so like I said, we spent half the day working on the yard and raked up all basically the dead weeds. And we have this bonfire going, and then tomorrow we're just gonna cover it all up with dirt and hose it all off, so there won't be any evidence of it. Shut up, Robert. we can't have any evidence. Oh God. So Friday, this is the thing. Friday between 10 and 12, the realtor, the real estate agent is coming, and she's bringing her photographer that she's using to take pictures of the house, inside the house, the backyard, the front yard, and whatnot. So because the house is going officially on the market as of November 2nd. So yeah, so they're coming Friday to take pictures. So that's why for the last, well, I've been getting ready for this by getting rid of things and doing little repairs here and there, and this, that, and the other, and everything else under the sun, just about. And here we are now, down to the wire. So trying to I told Robert, basically it's like we're having to make the house kind of like what they call a Airbnb status. Had to empty the house as much as possible, and the things that that we have to keep because we're still using, just very minimal, and just try to, as much as possible, give the house a look of being empty as much as possible. Alright, you guys, I guess I'm gonna cut out now. Hope everybody's doing okay. Here comes Robert adding to the fire. Oh my goodness, a lot of smoke. So yeah, that's the fire. Alright, you guys, good night. Maybe I can make a video tomorrow. Alright, bye.